I hope you're ready for this 5-minute ab routine. Let's get started. So I have my stopwatch here. We're going to perform each movement at 30-second increments. I'm going to get started. The first movement is going to be bird dog to help to stabilize the lumbar spine. Ready? All right, let's go. That's 30 seconds right here. You're going to keep your arm underneath your shoulder joint while you're concentrating on balancing. Opposite arm and opposite leg is keeping you balanced. We're here for 30 seconds. Don't drop your forearm. Make sure that that arm is right underneath your shoulder joint. 3, 2, 1. Good. Switch. Opposite leg. Keeping that core tight. Chest is up. Should be no reason why you are rounding your back. Leg is being kicked out. Let's go. All right, keep going. 2, 1. Great time. Now you have 30-second planks. Stay right here. Helps to stabilize your core. You have two options. You can either stay here or for more advanced, stay up here for 30 seconds. Let's go. 10 more seconds. You got this. Okay. Now get ready for side planks. Right here. You're helping to stabilize yourself. Remember, your arm is right underneath your shoulder joint. Everything is in a straight line. You're not here. You're up here. Keeping proper form. This is not easy. It's tough, but you got this. If you find that you need to keep your feet out here to keep your balance, then go ahead and do so. Let's switch. Opposite side. Thirty seconds. Okay. Now your next movement is going to be sit-ups. You can either do weighted sit-ups or regular sit-ups, placing your foot underneath the couch and getting your sit-ups in. You got this? 3, 2, 1. Great. Back to all fours. Let's go, mountain climbers. Got this. Eight seconds left. 2, 1. Good. Let's keep pushing. Don't stop. It's getting tough. Let's revisit those planks again. 30 seconds right here. Don't forget to breathe. Remember, you're not bringing your hips down. Your hips is levels. Don't drop your form. It's only 30 seconds. You're doing good. 3, 2, 1. Drop. Side planks. This is not easy, but I commend you for pushing through it. 30 seconds. You can already feel your obliques getting engaged. I'm sweating over here. It's a great ab works exercise. 2, 1. Great. Let's throw in the opposite side. Last 30 seconds. You got this. Remember, keep that form. Doing great. We're almost there.
Activity completed.
All right, you heard that. So that was a 5-minute ab exercise. I'm sweating. That was a great pump. If you're short on time, instead of doing nothing at all, it's best to just throw something in. So even if you have 5 minutes, do this for 5 minutes. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the 5-minute ab workout. I'm Magda. I'll see you soon. Take care.